Hey, what's up, everybody? I know why you all are here. We are here to talk about these new Hospital Blue Kanye West 700s. These shoes are absolutely amazing, so let's get straight to it. Of course, you have the box 700. I ordered these from GOAT. Here we have Yeezy Boost to size 13, 700 V2, Hospital Blue. They are incredible. So here we are, let's get straight to it. Here we go. You see it's like different hints of blue, gray. Here is more like a baby blue, and here is more sort of like a light grayish blue. And the sole here is kind of a gray blue as well. And here you kind of have definitely more of a powder blue. You can see the 3M, which is here. It's right here along this strip as well. It's right along here. It does obviously light up. It's a very similar aesthetic to the Statics in terms of this right here, but on the Static, I believe all of this is 3M, whereas here, it's just this stripe here. The classic 700 toe that we have all grown to love. Also here is another 3M strip, a nice solid tongue. Same on the flip side right here. The bottom of the shoe is a typical 700. You got the boost right here to make them comfortable, and this is an extremely comfortable shoe. This is a beautiful shoe, y'all. Probably one of my favorite Yeezy so far, I must say. The 700 aesthetic looks really good on feet. Doesn't make your feet look too big. Gives a very clean look. I'm kind of a different take on the dad shoe, but these release on Saturday. If you are interested, I would definitely make it my business to get this shoe. It is gorgeous and well worth the price. I believe the price point for these is going to be $300. I'm not sure what the resale will be, but this is definitely one to have, y'all. All right, y'all, check me out later. Like, subscribe, comment, be motivated. And as always, have an amazing day. Mincy out.